Big changes are coming to your Google local service ads. And if you rely on those verified reviews to rank higher and earn customer trust, this update could shake things up. Google is making major shifts on how reviews are collected, displayed, and even counted. And if you're not prepared, your ad visibility and reputation could take a hit. Stick around, because in this video, we're breaking down exactly what's changing, why your star rating might suddenly drop, and what steps you need to take right away to stay competitive. Starting soon, all of your local service ad reviews will be fully managed through your Google Business Profile, not your LSA dashboard. That means Google is going to start verifying all your reviews against Google Business Profile review policies. And since their last core update, Google has become much stricter with those reviews, and many businesses have suffered the consequences. If a review doesn't meet Google's quality standards, it could be flagged as suspicious, unverified, or not from a real customer. It will disappear from your LSA profile entirely. Why this matters? Your star rating and number of reviews directly impact your local service ads rankings. Fewer visible reviews equals lower perceived trust equals fewer leads and clicks. Google is getting stricter to increase transparency, but that means your account needs to be squeaky clean and properly synced. Here's the kicker. Starting January 2025, you are not able to run local service ads at all unless your Google Business Profile is properly linked and verified. To keep your account active, your business name and address must exactly match between LSA and Google Business Profile. You need to have a user with access to both LSA and Google Business Profile. If those pieces don't match up, your ads could be paused and you might lose valuable leads while you try to fix it. Here's what you need to do right now to protect your rankings and keep the leads flowing. Number 1, verify your Google Business Profile if you haven't already. 2, match your business name and address across both platforms. Number 3, ensure a shared user account is linked to both Google Local Service Ads and Google Business Profile. Number 4, audit your reviews. If any are flagged or missing, review Google's policy and take action. If you're concerned about this new update, make sure to check with your team and reinforce your review strategy. And remember, all reviews need to go to your Google Business Profile. That's the only link that you should be sharing with people that will leave you reviews. This all feels like a lot. You're not alone. Google's updates are meant to improve the experience for the user, but for business owners, they can be confusing and even risky. Accelerate Marketing is already helping businesses like yours stay ahead of these changes. We'll make sure your Google Business Profile is verified, synced, and optimized so you don't lose a single lead. If you need any help with optimizing your Google Business Profile or Google Local Service Ads to get more visibility and leads, text us at 619-304-5155 and we'll help you get started. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on tips just like this. Thanks for watching.